The majestic peacock, a symbol of beauty and grace, has a fascinating life cycle that begins inside a simple yet remarkable egg. But how do these magnificent birds come into the world? Let's take a deep dive into their journey, from egg to chick and beyond. Peafowls, which include the male peacock and the female peahen, begin their reproductive cycle in the breeding season, which typically lasts from April to September in warm climates. The male attracts the female with his dazzling plumage and distinct calls. If a female is impressed, mating occurs, and soon she starts preparing to lay eggs. The peahen does not build complex nests like other birds. Instead, she finds a hidden spot, often under dense shrubs or tall grass, to lay her eggs. A single peahen lays between 4 to 8 eggs per breeding season, usually at intervals of 1 to 2 days. Each egg measures about 7.5 centimeters in length and 5.5 centimeters in width, weighing approximately 90 to 110 grams. The eggs are oval-shaped, slightly pointed at one end, and have a matte surface to blend with their surroundings, providing some protection from predators. The peahen takes full responsibility for incubating the eggs, keeping them warm under her body. The incubation period lasts between 26 to 30 days, during which she rarely leaves the nest except for brief moments to eat and drink. During this time, the eggs are vulnerable to predators such as snakes, foxes, jackals, mongooses, wild boars, and even large birds like hawks and eagles. The peahen's camouflaged plumage helps her blend in, but she must remain vigilant. After nearly a month, the chicks inside the eggs begin to break free. Using a specialized egg tooth on their beaks, they slowly crack the shell, a process that can take up to 24 hours. One by one, the peachicks emerge, damp and fragile. The mother immediately begins caring for them, keeping them warm and protected. On average, 3 to 5 chicks survive out of the total eggs laid, as many fall prey to predators before reaching adulthood. The first few weeks of a peachick's life are the most dangerous. At this stage, they are vulnerable to predators like cats, dogs, and larger birds, extreme weather conditions such as heavy rains or cold nights, starvation if they fail to learn proper foraging skills. The peahen plays a crucial role in their survival, teaching them how to find food and shelter. However, nearly 50% of peachicks do not make it past their first few months. Over the next 6 months, the young peacocks and peahens grow rapidly. By the age of 1 year, they start developing their distinct features, but males won't get their iconic tail feathers until they are about 3 years old. Once mature, these peafowls will start the cycle all over again, ensuring the continuation of their beautiful species. The journey from a tiny egg to a magnificent peacock is filled with challenges, dangers, and moments of survival. Yet, through nature's design, these birds thrive, dazzling the world with their elegance and grace. And that is the story of how peacocks are born, raised, and flourish in the wild. Title: Nature's Beauty Unfolds in Every Feather. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.